At what level did you realize that your regular oats aren't just for breakfast, but they're a natural hair moisturizer that helps make your hair soft, reduce breakage, soothe the scalp, and also boost shine? This oat mask completely changed my hair. After just one use, my hair felt softer, smoother, and easier to manage. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this oat hair mask that your hair will absolutely love. A man's gift maketh room for him, and bringeth him before great men. Proverbs 18:16 King James Version. Now let's talk on how I made this oat hair mask. It's quite simple. I measured in 1 cup of oats into my plate, poured in my hot water, stirred it a little bit, and allowed it to simmer for about 15 minutes. You can decide to cook your oats depending on how you make yours. After that, I transferred it to my blender and blended until it was smooth. Now let's talk about the benefits of using oat on our hair. Oat acts as a deep moisturizer. Oat is rich in beta-glucan, which helps lock in moisture, keeping your hair soft, smooth, and hydrated. Also, oat helps soothe itchy and irritated scalp. The anti-inflammatory and calming properties in oat helps reduce scalp irritation, flaking, and itchiness. It strengthens your hair. Oat is packed with vitamin B1, B2, and B5, and minerals like zinc and iron. Helps reduce breakage and strengthens hair from the roots to the tip of the hair. And oat adds natural shine and smoothness to your hair. Oat improves hair elasticity. The proteins in oat helps improve hair flexibility, making it less prone to breakage during styling or detangling. As you can see in the video, I added vitamin E oil and olive oil. These oils are essential oils that helps keep your hair healthy, shiny, and strong. They improve blood circulation in the scalp, which promotes natural hair growth and nourishes the hair follicles. They are rich in antioxidants. It protects the hair from damage caused by heat, pollution, and styling. These essential oils also help repair dry or damaged strands, reduce breakage, and prevent split ends. It helps to soothe itchy scalp, balance oil production in your hair, and leave your hair soft, smooth. So adding these two oils to your oat only makes your hair more moisturized, stronger, and also healthier. Okay, so I started off on a not so clean hair. This is just like a pre-poo before my washing, and also I applied some water before I started with the hair mask. Every time you want to apply a product on your hair, always ensure that your hair is moisturized first with water or a water-based product before you start off with any other thing you want to apply on your hair. It's advisable your hair is damp before you apply anything so that your hair can absorb whatever you want to apply into your hair. As you can see in this video, I applied the oat hair mask from the root of my hair to the tip of my hair, ensuring that the oat gets to every strand of my hair, massaging it into the hair and ensuring that all strands of the hair is coated with this oat hair mask. Now let me give an unsolicited advice, I will call it. Anytime you're applying a product on your hair, please, I advise always start from the back of your hair before getting to the front. In as much as you want to see what you're applying in your hair, always start from the back of your hair. I learned this the hard way, because if you start applying a product from the front of your hair, before you get to the back of your hair, it might start dripping into your eyes. It might get to your face and enter into your eyes. So always apply your product from the back end of your hair before you walk it down through to the front of your hair. You must be rounding up with whatever you are applying. But if you start from the front of your hair, it might end up getting to your face and getting to your eyes. As you can see in this video, I started from the back of my hair before I got to the front. So the front part should be the last part where you apply your product into your hair. Also, always ensure you have enough of your whatever you're applying on your hair. You can see this way I almost ran one shot of the oat, but luckily for me I had to rub my hair in the container. So always ensure that you have enough of whatever you're applying on your hair so that you don't run short of it. It's better you have more than enough than is not enough for your hair. Okay, that being said, you can see my hair was super duper soft already. The sleepiness of the oat was just sliding through my hair. So after applying the oat, I covered my hair with a nylon and followed in with my steam cap. If you don't have a steam cap, you can just use it like that. Cover your hair, and I allowed it to stay for about 45 minutes. And when I was done, my hair was super duper soft. I've not noticed this kind of softness before. Oats is really a game changer for me, and I'm going to be trying this oats hair mask over and over again. Okay, thanks for watching. Let me know if you'll be trying this oats hair mask on your hair. You can drop your comment in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.